Can you really get a global business account and manage all your international payments for free? It sounds too good to be true, right? We've all seen the ads for different platforms that promise zero fees, but then you read the fine print and find yourself buried in a list of hidden costs. So, what's the deal with Airwallex? Is it genuinely free to use? That's the question we're tackling today. And to get a real answer, we need to go beyond the glossy marketing and dig into the details. Airwallex is a powerful platform designed for businesses that operate globally. It allows you to open multi-currency accounts, send and receive payments, and manage expenses all from one place. But let's be honest, a company this sophisticated has to make money somewhere. So, let's break down exactly what is free and what isn't, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business. First off, let's talk about the good news. Airwallex is absolutely free to open a business account. There are no setup fees and no monthly maintenance fees. You can get a multi-currency account to collect and hold funds in over 20 different currencies, and you won't be charged a single cent just for having it. This is a huge benefit for businesses that deal with multiple currencies but don't have a high volume of transactions right away. You can get started, set up your payment infrastructure, and not have to worry about a monthly bill until you're actually using the service. So, where do the fees come in? Airwallex makes its money on transactions, and the primary fee you'll encounter is the foreign exchange, or FX, conversion fee. This is a common practice with almost all international payment platforms. Airwallex's fee is highly competitive, often a small percentage above the interbank exchange rate, which is the wholesale rate banks use to trade with each other. This is still far better than what you'd get from most traditional banks, but it's important to know that every time you convert one currency to another, there will be a cost. Other fees to be aware of include those for sending and receiving payments. While local transfers in certain currencies can be free, international transfers often come with a fee. This is especially true for SWIFT transfers, which are a common method for international payments, and they can cost anywhere from $15 to $30 per transfer. If you're receiving a payment from a non-Airwallex account, there can also be a small fee. Let's also talk about their payment processing in cards. Airwallex offers a range of tools to help businesses accept payments online. These services come with transaction fees that vary depending on the payment method your customer uses. For example, a domestic card payment will have a different fee than an international card payment. On the expense side, while Airwallex offers unlimited multi-currency virtual cards with no international transaction fees, there are costs associated with employee cards if you go over the free allowance included in some plans. So, to sum it up, opening and maintaining a basic Airwallex account with multi-currency wallets is free. The costs arise when you start to move money, convert currencies, or use advanced features. It's all about a pay-as-you-go model for the most part, with transparent pricing for the services you actually use. This makes Airwallex a fantastic option for small businesses and freelancers who are just starting their global journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.